In this video, let me show you how to use a micro SD card or SD card with your iPhone 17e. The 17e doesn't have any SD card slot anywhere. So the only way to do it, you will need an adapter that is a card reader, micro SD card reader or full-size SD card reader to USB Type-C. This one is made by Anker, and I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon in case you want to get one. So once you connect the card over here, go on the lower side of your iPhone, plug it in the USB Type-C port. And now you may be asked to accept this adapter simply by clicking. Sometimes it doesn't tell you. If it's a quality adapter, you won't get the message. It will automatically recognize it. And now let me show you how to transfer files from here to there, or the contrary, and also how to transfer photos and videos. Actually, photos and videos, it's very easy. Open the photo app, and if you want to put any of these pictures over here, maybe it's a backup, who knows what you want to do. Okay, click on select, tap on every pictures, every videos you want to transfer. They'll have a blue check mark. At the end, press this icon, which is a square with an arrow pointing up. And from here, all you have to do is go down, select Save to Files. You'll be in Files. Click the left side arrow. Now click on your SD card. This is how my SD card is named, SD test, but yours may have a different name. And now if you want to save it directly on the SD card, click the Save button. If you want to put everything in a folder so you're organized, click these three dots. New folder, give this new folder a name, let's say backup iPhone. Okay, perfect. Press save, and all the pictures will be transferred from the phone to the SD card, just like that. Here you go. Now, if you want to transfer files, it's a bit different. You need to go in the Files app on your phone, so you don't need to download anything, don't worry. Just swipe towards the right side, tap on App Library and type Files. Okay, Files, open it. Over here, you're gonna go in Browse, click the left side arrow, and over here we have On My iPhone. So this is everything that is on your iPhone. Right now I don't have anything, it's a brand new phone. And if you click on your SD card, well, you'll see what's on your SD card. So right now, this is all I have, the folder with the pictures I have created. To transfer anything from your SD card, could have been a PDF file, could have been anything else actually. Again, click these three dots, select, and click on everything you want to transfer. Then you're going to go down, click the three dots, copy, go back, go on my iPhone, keep press anywhere, paste. And right now I have copied a folder with files that was on my SD card, and it's now on the memory of my iPhone. So this is how you have access to everything that is here. Now at the end, you don't have to eject your SD card. You can go ahead, disconnect this adapter. It will disappear. Here you go. And this is it. If you want to get, again, this adapter or even a SD card, check my Amazon links towards Amazon. I mean, it makes sense, it's from Amazon, but you get the idea. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.